Hey everyone, Yui here, back with another unboxing video, and today we have a Wave 2, our first Wave 2 3-pack, second, because of the red Nilius. Anyway, Wave 2 3-pack red Ventri with green smoke and diamond hammerhead. Yay, diamonds! So, on top you got lovely art of Ventri, got hammerhead there and smoke. Then you got your different clans, everything that comes in the box, stats and everything, how to put your special attack together, the usual, it fell over, it happens. Anyways, and of course got a Scorching Whips here, and very curious to see what's the cards. I'm pretty sure this should be the pack with that Thunder Crunch Diamond bonus, so let's get this open. Because it's like, it definitely wasn't the Hammerhead special attack or the Bruiser set. Come on, get out of the box. Here you got Ripcord. So the cards are actually secured in here quite nicely. Which I mean is nice, but gotta cut the plastic strips. Stop them from going into the floor for once. At least for now. We might still have some fall to the floor. Let's be real. Dupe, dupe. Well, actually, we'll take the cards off to the side because we still need to open those. Now, let's see. I will say right off the bat, green smoke looks pretty nice. Diamond hammerhead. And now to free the Ventri. Also, I find it funny that this is the second Diamond 3-pack that has come with a Ventri. So, got it. Ventri's just going to be connected with Diamonds for 3-packs, I guess. Or something. I don't know. I'm just making it up. But them seems to be the rules right now. Put Ventri together. The cards just fell. There we go. Alright. Let's get this back in here. Put all that back in there. Da-da-da. Where'd the cards go? There they are. Try not to bump the camera. I bumped the tripod. Close enough, I guess. Whee! Okay, Roblox code, all of our cards, the not quite check sheet, hero cards, gate cards, there we go. I think we've seen these two before, but I could easily be wrong. But we got a red-blue and a green-red. Not bad. Got our card holder ripcord thingy. Don't need the scissors in the shot. Alright, so moving on. Look at smoke first. Again, that looks pretty nice. Big, large yellow? Yes, yellow body, and on the neck, and some red there for, I think, technically maybe the claws? Well, no, yeah, that's definitely the claws. Anyways, come on, work with me. 3, 2, 1, Bakugan Brawl. Hey, perfect. Pull out his little footsies. In there, we got green smoke. Also, I'll have you know, when we get a red one, I'm going to resist the urge to make American Dragon Jake Long jokes. Just saying. Anyways, here is Diamond Hammerhead. Some nice gold on the eyes and sparkle the blue. Then, of course, you know, a diamond. And with the special attack diamond. Interesting that it's... the special attack symbol is silver, but the core, it's gold. Yeah. That's how they look together. At least closed anyways. Let's see. Arrow. 3, 2, 1. Bakugan Brawl. Oh, he fell over, but I mean, otherwise that was a good open. Flip out the footsies and you see more of that gold on the eyes and some more dark blue. And then with the special attack Diamond Hammerhead. So you see how they look together. Nice complete set of diamonds. Honestly, we still need core Diamond Ventri. And then that'll be a complete set. We also need Diamond Special Attack Nilius, actually. But speaking of Ventri, here she is, this time in red. Nice red. I need the core, and then I'll have both of those. But that's another 3-pack, I believe. Alright, 3, 2, 1, Bakugan Brawl. Whee! There she go. Hey, she actually opened. Perfect. Flip out the extra wing bits. See some nice silver there on the face, yellow for the eyes and the top of the head. Very lovely Ventri as usual. Again, I'm just a sucker for Ventri. What else is new? Oop, picture frames are trying to fall over. Okay, we get Smoke and close Hammerhead's feet so he'll sit. Alright. So, moving on to the cards. Green Smoke, 400, 300, 300. Pretty even Bakugan. Diamond Hammerhead, 100, 400, 300, but if with a Clash plus 300 bonus. Nice. And then Special Attack Red Ventri, 500, 200, 300. No extra effect. And this is... good thing we already have Scorch Whip cards, because that's Blaze Swords. That's not right. But if accidental Blaze Sword with 100, 300, 100. Yay! We love misprints. Okay, and for the hero cards, we got Backslash, 100, 100, Insect Clan on blue, plus 400. Thunder Crunch, Aquatic on red, plus 300, 100, 200. And then, yep, this is the card. 100 on red, 100 on blue, but on green, if you're a diamond, you get plus 400. That is crazy, and probably gonna get thrown in my hero deck because I use, wait, no, I don't use Diamond Ventri. I use, Galaxy Ventri and Street Brawl Ventri. Either way, though, that is a very nice card. And if you go back to a couple Brawl videos, you can see very useful for Valoo, not me. Anyways, that's going to pretty much do it for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. Check the links on the description. Check out the Brawl playlist, all that good stuff. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!